Welcome to my Jewellery Design in ZBrush course. So this is section 24. In section 24, what I wanted to do was experiment and play around with Sculptris Pro. Now inside ZBrush you have this ability to be able to turn on or activate Sculptris Pro, and I was experimenting, doing a bit of research and development to see how this could be used in jewellery design inside ZBrush. I'm not sure about the use of it really. I think it has a limited use. However, the ability to be able to choose a different brush size and have a resolution based on the brush size is quite interesting from a development point of view. So what I did was I did a few rings to kind of show you how it could kind of work for us. Let me just put that in there. So you got something like that. This is using a bit of Sculptris Pro to pull out things like the horns and add detail into some of the ring at different resolutions. So this is Sculptris Pro. So section 24 is a quick look at Sculptris Pro. This is Sculptris Pro is something that I might return to later when I find an absolute use for it where it would overcast any other technique. Then I will be adding a section on Sculptris Pro if I feel that that is the case. At the moment I'm not sure of the use, but I'm sure there's going to be projects that come up where I'm going to go Sculptris Pro would be ideal in this situation. But at the moment finding it hard to find a real use for it. I don't like the way Sculptris Pro triangulates things because it really kind of messes up the geometry. It triangulates and moves stuff down, and I really don't like that. So I'm not sure it's going to be good for us, but I intend to test things out further with Sculptris Pro and see if it can actually help us. You can see Sculptris Pro there at a big brush size really wrecks the surface, but at a smaller brush size cleans it up. So it's got uses, but if we look at it, it really kind of wrecks the surface. It triangulates it rather than have that to be like it was, nice and clean like it is there. It kind of destroys the surface a bit. I think it's all right for organic modeling maybe, but I have my doubts about how we could use it for jewelry design, something that's very precise. I don't want to start triangulating things up, messing around, almost doing a live decimation of the actual ring itself. But it's an interesting section nevertheless. So that's section 24, and that's all about Sculptris Pro, the plugin part of ZBrush 2020.